Alright, welcome back, people. This your boy KP from KP Reptiles. Alright, so we're over here at Nibbles enclosure. Nibbles has a dirt box, a water bowl full of water. I change out every day. Try not to fill it to the top too much. And I made a hide box for Nibbles to go in. And it's a Burmese Python, people. You know, most of them do bite, but Nibbles I do handle a lot. So let's go ahead and show you how I would go ahead and get Nibbles out of the enclosure or out of her hide box. Come on, Nibs. Hey, Nibbles. All right. Hey, girl. It's all good? All right, come on. Come on. Alright, so got Nibbles almost out of the hide box, pretty much. But I'm gonna need two hands, so hold on, people. Okay, check it out. We managed to get Nibbles out of the enclosure. And just gotta go get her outside, so think we should go get Burm too, so let's go do that. Okay, right next door will be Burma Burma. He has the same setup. I put him in a water bowl. I got Nibbles around my neck right now because I don't mind touching my snakes. So this is how I get Burma Burma out of the enclosure. Come on, Burma. Hey, buddy. I usually rub them on the chin to let them know that you know, it's me. Because if I put a rat in there, a rat's not going to rub him on the chin. Touch him around the body. And then, he's not going to mind if I mess with him. Come on, Burma. Coming outside. About to take a walk, buddy. Alright, people, let's get outside. Alright, so at the moment, we made it outside, right? Look at that. We got Nibbles, seen the grass, and jumped off of me. I have two snakes on my neck. We got Burma Burma, and Burma wants to be with me. Nibbles have been waiting to come outside, so she's on the move. And I mean, the other cool part about it is that these snakes don't go very fast. These are one of the largest snakes in the world. The Burmese Python. I got one normal. And I got one albino one. Holla at your boy. Look how big this snake is. And he doesn't mind. Because I touch him all the time. But we're letting him walk around. Right? We're letting him slither around outside. And the other part about it is that, you know, I have to sit out here and make sure that these snakes are okay, and I need to stay close because there are birds out here, and some birds will eat your snake like a hawk. I mean, they're hawks out here, so holla at your boy. Make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Go ahead and do me a favor. I know you like what you're seeing. But, you know, the more you handle your snake, the better they'll get with being outside. Watch out for bugs. So, come on, Burma. You hear that bird outside? That bird is one of those birds that can eat snakes. So, let's go over there and go see what Nibbles is doing. Alright, so check it out. I made it over here by the front part of Nibbles. Alright, you could see Burma Burma is somewhere up there. But we made it over here by Nibbles. And Nibbles seems to just want to mind her own business. See, she doesn't have a care in the world about me. Because, you know, when you handle your snakes every day, you can get some nice, kind, gentle snakes. It's not afraid of you. But when you bring them outside, some reptiles and some animals like to act out and like to get upset. But when you do this every day, when you're watering your grass or, you know, just hanging outside before the sun come out, because these snakes can handle intense heat, like being right there out there when the sun's at the top of the sky. But this nice cool weather in the morning, just like a dog in the morning. These dogs like to go walk around and, you know, see outside, and sitting in that box all the time ain't doing it. So, made it back over here by Burma Burma, my albino, and he's looking for another spot to go wander to, because when the sun's out, he always tries to look for shade, but I guess he don't have to look for shade in this instance. What's up, buddy? You seen Nibbles over there? I don't know why y'all don't want to stay together. Alright, people. Holla at your boy. We're going to go ahead and do a couple more minutes, you know, probably 15, 20 more minutes, and have these snakes relax and just have time outside, you know, because Burma Burma want to be on the grass. And check this out. Look, Nibbles want to be over here on the flat surface. So, holla at your boy, people. It's your boy KP from KP Reptiles. Thanks for watching.